Hello and welcome back to the Wealth Equation Podcast. I'm your host, Maurice L. Wilson, engineer turned financial advisor. Let me tell you what most people get wrong about money. They treat it like a one-time transaction. You earn it, spend it, it's gone. You pay for college, gone. You remodel your kitchen, gone. You take that dream trip in retirement, wonderful, but again, gone. But here's the thing. Money isn't just fruit that you consume. It's a seed that you plant. When you eat that fruit, that's it. It's over. But if you plant the seed and nurture it, it grows, multiplies, and gives back again and again. That's how you have to start thinking about your money. Let's say you have $100,000 now. Most people immediately think, what can I buy with it? But the better question is, how can I position this money so it keeps working for me even after I use it? Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't enjoy your money. You absolutely should. But the goal is to structure it in a way that creates return, leverage, legacy, impact. When you pay for college, are you thinking about how to replenish that pool? When you take a big trip in retirement, is your money still working behind the scenes? When you put that addition in your house, are you also investing in assets that'll keep building after that house is built? If we treat money like a seed, something that we plant and keep harvesting from, then financial freedom isn't just possible, it's sustainable. So, next time you're about to make a major financial move, ask yourself, am I just eating the fruit or am I planting the seed? That's the mindset shift, and that's how wealth gets built for you and for generations to come. My name is Maurice L. Wilson, engineer turned financial advisor, and this has been the Wealth Equation Podcast. Thank you.